Hello everybody, this is Shivani. Now we are going to study the confusion matrix. The confusion matrix is a table test that is being used to define the performance of the classification model on the test data where the true values are already known. True value means the actual values. So the confusion matrix is used for the model evaluation purpose. Okay, so it is a confusion matrix. So here the actual values on this side and the predicted value is on this side. So according to the actual and predicted values, the TP, FP, FN and TN positions are defined. Okay. So what is TP? TP means true positive. What is FP? False positive. FN false negative. TN true negative. Okay. So the what that means? Okay. TP, FP, FN and TN. What are their conditions? Okay. So true positive. Okay. Here in that true positive, the actual condition is also positive and predicted condition is also positive. Means if a person is having some disease, then the actual condition is he is having a disease or she is having the disease or the person is having the disease. Okay. And it is predicted as the person is also having the disease. Means actual and predicted value must be same in true positive. Okay. Then false negative, the actual condition is positive, means the person is having the disease, but in predicted the person is not having that disease. Okay. So true negative, here the actual condition is negative, means the person is not having the disease and it is predicted that it is also not having the disease. Okay. So false positive means what? The actual condition is negative and it is predicted as a positive, means the person is not having the disease, but it is predicted having a disease. Okay. The date shows the confusion matrix of a value, that is TP, FN, TN and FP. Okay. So what are their formulas? If you want to calculate a confusion matrix, so we have to calculate the accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. So what are their formulas? Okay, let's calculate the accuracy. Now, what is the formula for accuracy? Accuracy is equal to correct classification upon the total classification. What is correct classification? Means TP, that is the true positive. It shows the overall that person is having disease, means consider as the condition predicted as so positive and condition uh, actual is also positive. And what shows the TN? TN shows that the actual condition is negative and predicted condition is negative. Means two different parts we get. That is the correct classification, which gives the correct answer bus of having disease or not having the disease. Okay. But in that false negative and false positive, one condition must be true or one condition must be wrong, false. Okay. So overall correct classification divided by total classification. That is the formula for the accuracy. Means TP plus TN divided by TP plus TN plus FP plus FN. Okay. That is overall about the accuracy. What is precision? Precision means out of all positive predicted, what is the truly percentage of positive? Okay. Here precision is equal to correctly classified actual positives divided by everything classified as positive. ठीक है. Means what that mean? TP means overall true positive, means having a disease, not having the disease. And here TP means it is predicted as, in that condition, the one condition predicted, that predicted condition is true. Okay. In TP and FP, in TP, the predicted condition is true, and in FP, the predicted condition is true. That's why the formula is like that. It is already overall dependent on the predicted values. Okay, so the formula is TP divided by TP plus FP. Okay, the focus on that highlighted part. Okay, that is only for the predicted conditions. Okay, here is the recall. What is recall? The recall is out of total positive, what is the percentage are predicted positive? Okay. Means it is depend on overall actual values. Okay. So the what is the formula for that? Recall is equal to correctly classified actual positive divided by all actual positive. Okay. Means in that condition true positive will taken, means both the detected or matlab actual values and predicted values is true. Okay, in that the actual values means true positive and false negative. The actual values are positive means the condition, actual condition is positive in the TP and FN. Okay, the actual condition is positive. So overall the recall part is depend on the actual values. Okay, so recall is also called as the sensitivity as well as true positive, that is TPR. Okay, if the external asks the formula for recall, you said the same formula as of recall. Okay, then focus on that F1 score. If he knows the values of recall and precision, you will be calculated F1 score. So what is F1 score? F1 score is a harmonic mean of precision and recall. It takes both false positive and false negative into the account. Therefore, it performs the well on an imbalanced data set. Okay. So it depends on the precision and recalls values. All that means all actual data and all predicted data. Okay. So all this is about the confusion matrix.